Yes guys, for to see that, I don't know what go happen, you know. Yeah man, see it there? Breadfruit I go roast. Yeah man. Once there's smoke, there's fire. Yes my people, good morning, good morning. Yeah man. Big up yourself, wherever you watch from. Yeah man, today is Sunday. Guess what happened? Today, we now look after no rice and peas. Yeah man, we eat rice and peas like every day. So today, we are do a little thing different. Yeah man, so right now, today, me roast some breadfruit and me have some fish. Yeah man, see the breadfruit them are roast. Yeah man, and see the fish them here. Yeah man, so basically, what me I go do? Me I go roast the breadfruit and me I go probably curry the fish or me brown stew it. Yeah man, tired of the rice and peas, tired of the chicken guys. Sometimes you must mix up the diet and you must try different stuff like on Sundays when you know it's a traditional day for rice and peas. Guys, some of the time you can, you know, stray a little, do something different. So today, roast breadfruit, curry or brown stew fish. So no stick and stay and watch what I go on. So 5 of the breadfruit in the fire already. Yeah man, I see me have about 4 more there so for roast. Yeah man, a yellow heart breadfruit guys, so them not gonna take no long time for roast. Yeah, stick and stay. So yes guys, so get the fish them, take out you know. Alright guys, so catch some water upon the fish them now, I get them thaw out. Yeah man, afterwards I go prep them up, get them clean up. Although them look clean already, but you don't know we have to do for we cleaning same way. Yeah man. So now just stick and stay and watch what going on, you know guys. Fire read, big up yourself. Sir Mark, you don't know a thing my brother. Auntie Joyce, big up yourself. Yeah man. One love, one heart. Why guys, you know pretty. See true because look a rain fall and you stick them wet up. Kinda hard. Yeah man, but don't know. They are same way I go and do a thing. So I don't know the thing going on, stick and stay. Alright guys, I'm go now look a preview of the surrounding. Yeah man. Rain look like it gonna fall. Alright guys, so the breadfruit get them first turn. Yeah man. Sun come back out so you know, so the thing I gonna get warm, you know, and you know, fire go start kick, you know, so stick and stay. Cause me take me little time deal with the fish them right now. Yeah man. Alright guys. Yeah, try clean up the little fish them, you know. Can't get them clean up. Alright guys, so I tell you about. Yeah man. I have to make sure so the fish clean, you know, and proper. Yeah man. Alright guys, so guess what now? I don't have any sour orange. Yeah man, so may I use a vinegar. Yeah man, because we have to get them clean and proper, you know. Yep. Stick and stay. Alright, so breadfruit partially roasted now, you know guys. Yeah man, so after that I go get the fish them season up and you know go and marinate for cook down. So I don't know a thing going on. Alright guys, so may I use the jerk seasoning and may I use the chicken seasoning. Run out of all purpose, so I'm going to use them here and season up fish. Yep. Drain off the water off it properly so no stick or stay. Yes guys, so see the fish them there, them season up and marinate now. So as soon as the breadfruit them finish, then I will go and deal with them. So stick and stay. Alright guys, so see the breadfruit them there. Yeah man, we have about 3 more in the fire. So wait for them left for roast, then we go deal with the fish. So no stick and stay and watch what go on. Yes guys, so the breadfruit them finish roast now. Yeah man, see them there. Yeah. So I go get the fish on the fire now. So and we'll see what go on. Alright guys, so yeah. This is the oil that I'm going to fry the fish in. So get the fish then in some flour. Yeah, I'm gonna go fry them. So just stick and stay and watch what I want. Alright guys, so fish them fry. Coming on nicely guys. Alright guys, so look at the second set now and the last set. Showing you the first set we fry. Alright, so that's the first set. Alright guys, so see me season them now. We have bell pepper, that is sweet pepper, onion, carrot, scallion and a piece of thyme. So I now cut up the garlic in it, I go crush the garlic and drop it in there. Alright, so stick and stay and watch what I go on for the niceness. Alright guys, so see it now. I'm on the carrot and the onion and the green seasoning I'm putting in the pot now. Them are kind of boiled down now. So I wait for them to kind of get a little soft so I can put the fish in it and do what I have to do. Yeah man, no stick and stay man, pure niceness man. Alright guys, so I get like a coconut milk in it now, you know. Just a little, not much. Yes guys, so the one I'm gonna name Homestyle fish and Breadfruit. Yeah man. So I'm gonna leave that now guys, make it come down to a boil. And then I don't know the thing set, you know. Yeah man, stick or stay. Alright guys, so see you know. Yeah man. It's coming down, it's coming down. Homestyle fish. Roast breadfruit. Nah, go normal. Yes, my people. Can see so the gravy get thicker now, you know. So can put in the fish them now. So for about 1.5 to 2 minutes, and then turn off the pot, you know. Because them fish are kind of soft, you know, guys. You know, keep them in the sauce too long, you know. Yeah, man. So no stick and stay. Sweet people. Homestyle fish. Yeah, man. See how the thing come down, you know, guys. See how the thing come down. People, you want to leave in the comment section how this look too, no? Yeah man. Fire raid, big up yourself, my general. Some Mark, big up yourself. Auntie Joyce. Yeah man, I know you watch this, you know. Yeah. Alright guys, so see it there. You know, I have my roast breadfruit, and I have a couple slices of fried breadfruit and the Homestyle fish. Yeah man, so I don't know the things yet, you know guys. No rice and peas there today. Yeah man, just breadfruit and Homestyle fish. Yeah man, so I don't know anything come down to, you know guys, you know. Always remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend.